Hello students, I welcome you all in my series of CNC programming. This is my fourth video. In my first video, I discussed G codes and M codes. In my second video, we saw part program format. In my third video, I shared a program for facing operation. In my fourth video, we will discuss how to perform turning operation. Please go through these small videos. Once you understand the basic concept, I am sure you will be able to write program by yourself for any complicated component also. So let's begin. So this is the component and we have to perform turning operation. Once again, I'll just revise the axis. So the horizontal axis is the Z axis and the vertical axis is the X axis. Moving to the right, it's plus Z. Moving to the left, it's minus Z. Moving up, it's plus X. Moving down, it's minus X. To begin with, I have to consider that my component is of this shape and I have to perform turning operation. In my second video, we saw that there are few parameters which are common to all turning programs. Out of that, first 8 and last 8 parameters are same to all turning operations. So I'll just revise them. First, I have to specify the program number. The program number is a 5-digit number, any number you can give. After that, here we have to give the sequence number. You can start with an 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, or an 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on. Then I use the code G90 which indicates absolute programming. Then it's G71 which indicates metric mode. Then next is G92. Along with that, here I am going to specify M43 and spindle speed as 600 RPM. G93 is used for maximum spindle speed clamp. M43 is the low gear and spindle speed is kept as 600 RPM since we are performing step turning operation. After that, next code used is G95 which indicates feed rate in mm per revolution. Now here in the program itself, the feed rate is given as 0.2 mm per revolution. Now since it is mm per revolution, the code used is G95. If it is given in mm per minute, I will be using the code G94. So 1, 2, 3, 4, more 4 parameters left. After that, I am going to use G28, U0, W0 which indicates go to home position. Then M06 along with T0101. M06 is automatic tool change and T0101 represents tool number 1 with offset 01. After that, I am going to on the spindle. So it's M03 along with speed in RPM. And after that, I am going to specify M08 which indicates coolant on. So these are the 8 parameters which are common, and after this we are going to start the actual program format. Now I will be selecting the initial position of the tool. For that, since the maximum diameter is 40 mm, I will be placing my tool over here. So I will use the code G00, that is rapid tool positioning. Along with that X42, since the maximum diameter is 40, I will be placing 2 mm above and Z1. I am 1 mm to the right, so it's Z1. After that, I will place my tool exactly at 40 mm. So it's G00, X40, Z1. Now I have to remove material. So when maximum material is to be removed, the code which is used for turning is G73, which I have already discussed in video 1. Along with that, what diameter I have to reduce? I have to reduce it to 30. So it would be X30. Z would be now till what length? Till 60. From here I am going to come till here. So it's Z minus 60. Why minus 60? Because I am moving to the left. Now at the same time I have to specify the feed, that is 0.2 and D as 1. Now what is D1? D1 is the depth of cut. So an incremental depth of cut of 1 mm is given. Means now the tool will start moving from this point. It will reach up till here. Again it will go back. It will come down by 1 mm. Again it will come. 1 mm material is removed. Again it will go back. Again it will come. And this process goes on and on and on till the diameter is reduced to 30 mm. Now my blank has come to this size. So same process I am going to repeat. I am going to position my tool over here. So it would be G00, X would be 32, Z would be 1. Then I will bring little bit down, that is at 530. So it would be G00, X30, Z1. Now I have to reduce the diameter from 30 to 20. So which code am I going to use? Since it is turning, I am again going to use G73. So G73, X20, and this time my Z would be minus 30. So it would be Z minus 30. Again I would be specifying the feed, that's its F 0.2 and depth of cut 1. So an incremental depth of cut of 1 mm is given. So the tool will start from here, it will come till here, again go back, again 1 mm depth of cut is given, again 1 mm depth of cut is given, and this process goes on repeating till the diameter of 20 mm is achieved. Now once the diameter of 20 mm is achieved, I have to take my tool out over here. So it would be G00, X would be 22 and Z would be 1. Here I end up my program. Now I have to add the last 6 steps which are common to all the programs. So out of that, the first one is G28, U0W0, which indicates return of tool to home position. After that, I am going to use the code M05. M05 indicates spindle off. After that, it would be M09, which indicates coolant off. Then it's M02, that is end the program. And lastly, it's M30, that is end the tape and rewind. So here we end up the program of step turning by using the code G73. So thank you so much for watching my video. Stay connected.